Kia ora everybody. Today we're not boiling dai, we are actually boiling harakeke for kite and potai and things like that. So what we do is we split them first, obviously, and then we bundle them, well I do. We bundle them in sort of two lots and they tie together like so. Of around about 12 to 15 whenu each, and we bundle them at the top at the thin end, and then we wait till the pots have quite high water in them until they come to a rolling boil, and then we put a little bit of dishwashing liquid in, biodegradable dishwashing liquid, and that's sort of helping with the bleaching afterwards. And I think it's the same reason why if you have access to a hot spring and you boil them in there, that helps with the bleaching as well, with all the chemicals in the hot spring and so on. I'm guessing that's the reason why. I was taught to use dishwashing liquid, and that's what I do. Anyway, so, and then we put them in and roll them in like spaghetti, and use the tongs so we don't burn our fingers, and kind of move them around while they boiling, as it were. And then the most asked question, honestly, the most asked questions is, how long do you boil them for? And the answer to that is, how long is a piece of string? It basically means we don't know. We never timed it. We just know. It's an experience thing. A lot of it depends on the harakeke, on the water, dare I say it, on the dishwashing liquid, and on the feeling of it. As a general rule, I personally try to sort of boil them, or rather, sorry, put them in when it's rolling boil, and that stops the boiling for a couple of seconds. And when it comes back to the boil, that's when we, add another couple of seconds on, maybe 15, maybe 20, and then we take them out. I have heard of people trying to boil them for 5 minutes or more, and that is probably too much. Then the whole leaf might disintegrate and delaminate while you weave it. So if that happens to you after boiling, that's probably why. And then, as you can see, Jeff's putting them in cold water to stop the boiling process, which is sort of something that we want to do here. You can
to a hard boil.
Yeah.
So
it's put them in. Takes a bit of practice. Yeah, and when they're a bit short, they don't really want to curl. Rightio, so there you go. So that's about it. And then once they come out of the cold water, we just hang them on the rack. Hang on, got the rack. Just hang them out here. When there's a little bit of wind, it's always nice. Sunshine would be better, but we take what we can get down here. And that's about it. Any questions, let me know.